wash up on your eye. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me coming back.